Hey YouTube, Old Man Riding here. End of the day. Today we started on the western or eastern end of Nebraska and got out here to Fort Brigadier, Wyoming. I made one delivery, one stop for fuel, and one stop to eat. So we covered 749 miles in 10 hours and 37 minutes. And yeah, it's been a long, good day. But anyways, I'm going to shoot you a little video of what I have like for dinner tonight. And my wife makes these chicken spaghetti, and I put it in a bowl and on a paper plate and I heat it up. But I'll give you a shot. Spaghetti and chicken. That's for dinner tonight. So I'm gonna cook that up and eat dinner, go to bed. And tomorrow is gonna be a busy day. Salt Lake City. Got like 3 stops. Just another day in the hood. What are you gonna do? Alright, I just thought I'd throw out that quickie video. Ain't nothing really happened today. And I stopped Walmart to find a HDMI cable to hook from my phone to my TV, but yeah, they don't have any. Guy in there said you'd have to get it online. So guess I'm gonna have to try that. And that's about it. At a quick stop at the Loves there in Sydney. They got an IHOP in there. Good stuff. Thumbs up. But that's about it for today. I get the windows rolled up. No smoking. Because the guy over here, he's running his truck and he ain't even in the truck. I don't know. I don't get it. You know, let's waste some more fuel. If you're in the truck, it's one thing, but if you're not, yeah. But okay. We're gonna just end this video, and that'll be it for today. Took a shower when I got here. Everything's all good to go. Throw in the food. That'll be the day. So, oh yeah, my subscribers to the channel went up to 500. I appreciate all you guys. And we'll catch you another time. Old Man Riding. Peace out.